Say you wanna roll, huh? You gotta look in your eyes, staring right into my soul, huh?
Okay guys, so let's tell you where we're headed.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Long time no see.
I know, right? Guys, we're headed to the Ardell event. It's called the Ardell 2020 Festival. So that's what we're doing. And Faith is my plus one. It's me. So that's me. But yeah, so we're just going to see how it goes, to be honest. I don't know what to expect. There's lots of summer things happening in Toronto. This is just one of the many, but I'll take you guys along with the other ones. And yeah, so we'll keep you posted when we arrive. We're gonna be there in like 10 minutes, so see y'all when we get there. Bye. Guys, look at Faith's masterpiece. So nice to meet you as well. Show us the outfit. Show us the outfit. Yes, 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 yes. Alright guys, so this is one hotel. So the event is officially done. Okay, did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was. Oh, this looks nice. yeah, real fun event. Really nice decor. The people who worked there were nice. Drinks were good. People were friendly. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, same. I'm glad we came when we came.
Yeah,
because I feel like
if we were there for too long,
we would have just gotten so freaking bored.
because there wasn't too much to do. Like they had a lot of nice photo ops, and it was decorated real nice. But it was like everyone was kind of just mingling with their own crew type of thing. So, you know, I think it was like a party vibe, but people weren't partying. You know,
Exactly. Like people were not really
yeah.
like that. So, but anyways, we had a good time. Thank you to Ardell for having us. And y'all, look at this hotel. I've just been looking at the lobby since, like the bar. It's so pretty. We are signing out. Thank you for spending the day with us. We'll see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye, y'all.
Hey guys.
Welcome to my vlog. So today, I'm spending Father's Day with my dad. Say hi.
Hi. This is my daughter, in whom I well pleased. Mwah.
Oh God. Henry's here. Mom's here. We're attempting to cook. Y'all, look at my father's cooking. Just take a look at this. He tries to cook. I don't know what the hell. My mom said, please, let's restart this. So we're about to do something, whip something up real quick. Me, I'm actually quite hungry.
Funny, your business.
That would have been a better idea. Guys, I want you to watch me season my chicken. No. So we have some chicken, mushrooms. We're gonna add spring onions to our food. Boiling some pepper and chicken. This is gizzard or whatever. They have all shrunk.
Yeah, that's what happens when you cook it. Get smaller.
I'm about to saute these veggies and like just season them. You just have some veggie on the side. I'm excited. I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. No, I won't cook it on rice. Chef B.
Some veggies.
I feel you. So after like, I don't even know how long, I finally finished cooking. This is what we turned that my daddy's whatever into. This is the salmon here.
And the
Chef. Chef assistant. Bystander. So this is what we have. It's table spread. We have some rice, some stew, salmon, and some sauteed veggies. Yeah. So we ate and I crashed. A few hours later already, and we're just cleaning up. The food was so good. Oh my goodness. Mommy, how was your dinner? I mean lunch. Did you enjoy the lunch?
Yeah, I did.
Everybody take a nap apart from
I know. Apart from me, though, I need my sleep.
See you guys on our drive back home. Talk to you guys later. I need to continue my nap because I'm actually still so tired. But yeah. Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day! Woo!
Right, that's fine. We're good.
We did it. Thank you. Bye. Say bye to the vlog. Bye. Bye, y'all.
Stay